Today, I'm going to be talking about physical and chemical properties of matter. To start off, I'm going to be talking about physical properties. So, physical properties can be observed or measured without changing the composition of matter. Physical properties are used to observe and describe matter. All properties of matter are either extensive or intensive, and either physical or chemical. Extensive properties, such as mass and volume, depend on the amount of matter that is being measured. On the other hand, intensive properties, such as density and color, do not depend on the amount of matter. Both extensive and intensive properties are physical properties, which means they can be measured without changing the substance's chemical identity. For example, the freezing point of a substance is a physical property. When water freezes, it is still water, H2O. It's just in a different physical state. Now going on to intensive properties. So intensive properties means that it would be the same regardless of the amount of matter. Some examples of this would be density, color, which is the pigment or shade, conductivity, which is electricity to flow through the substance, malleability, which is if a substance can be flattened, or luster, which is how shiny the substance looks. Now going on to extensive properties. So this means that it will change if the amount of matter changes. Some examples would be mass, how much matter is in the sample, volume, how much space the sample takes up, and length, how long the sample is. Next, I'll be going into chemical properties. So, chemical properties describes its potential to undergo some chemical change or reaction by virtue of its composition. For example, hydrogen has the potential to ignite and explode given the right conditions. This is a chemical property. Metals in general are known to react with acids. Zinc reacts with hydrochloric acid to produce hydrogen gas. This is a chemical property. Chemical change results in one or more substance of entirely different composition from the original substance. The elements and/or compounds at the start of the reaction are rearranged into new product compound or elements. A chemical change alters the composition of the original matter. Different elements and compounds are present at the end of the chemical change. The atoms in compounds are rearranged to make new and different compounds. Heat of combustion is the energy released when a compound undergoes complete combustion with oxygen. Chemical stability refers to whether a compound will react with water or air. Hydrolysis and oxidation are two such reactions and are both chemical changes. Flammability refers to whether a compound will burn when exposed to a flame. Again, burning is a chemical reaction. Commonly, a high temperature reaction is in the presence of oxygen. The preferred oxidation state is the lowest energy oxidation state that is a metal will undergo reactions in order to achieve this.